Seminaries, as a rule, teaches some of the same topics that we teach. It's really how we package it that makes a difference. The most significant thing is what we call our core curriculum. We take all those areas, historical theology, biblical theology, systematic theology, and pastoral theology, and actually add an additional one, which many seminaries do not have, spiritual formation. And we compress those and we look at those topics. We put them all together. I think the other thing that really is unique, students read significant amount of what we call primary documents. That is, they don't just read about Augustine, they read Augustine.
We seek intentionally to be rooted in what we would call the non-negotiable essentials of historic biblical Christian faith. On the other hand, we seek to be continually responsive to the constantly changing context of contemporary culture. And so those two pieces sort of give us the creative tension to hold our program together in some way. And we believe that if we pull the pendulum over to one side or the other, that both of those provide an unbalanced theological education.
It's not just looking at things that happened way back when, or studying scriptures that seem to have a lot of relevancy back in Jesus' day, but that they are still very much a part of what we need in today's world. I love the fact that we were constantly pushed to take what we were learning and apply it to ministry in the 21st century.
I found myself seeing things differently in verses that I've read before. I was able to identify certain things that I was missing out on before.